Hi guys. So guys, we are here to learn what is a tuple. ये start करने से पहले I would like to ask you people, what do you people think about tuple? I know आप लोग सोच रहे होगा कि if we know then why we would watch your videos, means तेरे वीडियोस का ही देखेंगे अगर हमारे मालूम रहता तो I knew it, but अगर आप अपनी खुद से कोशिश मीन्स इंटरनेट पे सर्च करें या फिर कुछ यूट्यूब चैनल्स पे जाके सर्च करें तो आई थिंक बाय प्रैक्टिसिंग बाय नोइंग व्हाट वाज दैट आई थिंक उससे ज़्यादा आपको नॉलेज मीन्स उसके बारे में आपको ज़्यादा नॉलेज मिलता. सो सॉरी फॉर डिस्टर्बिंग. सो लेट्स बैक टू द वर्क. So what is a tuple? A tuple. So it was an immutable object which cannot be changed. So what you people think that what is an immutable object है means under parenthesis tuple is found under parent. So guys, अगर spelling wrong है तो sorry. Parenthesis right, found under parenthesis means parenthesis के अंडर जो भी elements present रहते I think not, it's actually a tuple. Let's go to a Python IDE. So let's check over here. Like if we want something like a, if you are giving a values like 1, 2, 3. So what it should be, just to check if अपने को like if we want to know the type of that particular element or thing. So let type type a. So we get what we want. Class tuple, as we can see here. You people and I can see here is a tuple. And parenthesis, like if we have given a single value, only a single value, what you people think what it should be? It's an integer, like type of a. It's an integer because more than a single element that we are providing under parenthesis, that is nothing but a tuple. Okay, right. Let's make a one more note for you guys. Let's more than one element in parenthesis is known in under parenthesis. In parenthesis or under parenthesis, I don't know which English prefer. is known as tuple. So what we gone through from here? What we gone through with this 3 points, like it's an immutable object, means cannot be changed. Like if we want to keep it that in the future, if we don't want to change that particular name, like what example, uh, what like a python, the name that I think the companies may suggest to change, but python that cannot be changed. If we python got that popularity because of its simplicity. It's used in a simple, like in a typing manner. Okay, so if we want, I think you people got what is a tuple in these 3 simple words. Tuple is also tuple. In this, I am also going to teach you like special quality of what is this special quality of tuple. It has a special quality when it comes under for loop. Sorry guys, what is not special quality of tuple when it comes to for loop? What do you think that what should be the special quality of a tuple? So I think look, if we have given a tuple in under a list, like list 1 that we have given example list, we cannot give a list like a name, so list 1 we are giving is equals to list will be under I'll teach in the next video. So the object list be like tuple. It was in square brackets 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5. What do you people think that what we are going to, let's try in this manner. If we are giving a list 1 is equals to 1, 2, 2, 3, or something like 3, 1 parenthesis. If we 3, 4, what do you people think? If we want a tuple from this list, how could we get? So for tuple in list 1 that we have given in a before. Now print tuple. What do you people think that what we are going to get? So you just want to run it. Now guys, we have got four values of tuple. A single. Okay, so if you want to know the type of list 1, so what you people think what we are going to get? It was in a list format. So for tuple, the total are in a tuple format. It was in a list. I hope you understand what I want to say. Let's write some example for a tuple program.